What if I told you that you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month via Instagram by just managing accounts for clients, and that too on autopilot? Would that be something you would be interested in? Let me tell you that the fastest growing talk in the town of social media is Instagram. Let's look at these shocking stats. 79% of big brands are already doing business through Instagram and generating huge revenue. 78% of influencers prefers Instagram for brand collaboration, and they are charging up to $100,000 for a sponsored post. Kids of age group 13 to 18 are making a living just by managing Instagram accounts. You can also leverage the power of Instagram for yourself and start raking in big profits starting today. Let me show you the proof. If you search on Fiverr to manage your Instagram account, Instagram marketers are charging up to $1,000 per month for one Instagram account. You too can earn this even if you have never used Instagram before. Introducing Viraleze, a power-packed solution that offers everything to help you earn 4 to 5 figures every month and turn you into an Instagram marketing influencer in any niche of your choice. The Viraleze system consists of 2 major parts. Part 1 is the training that will take you from zero to hero in learning the nuances of Instagram marketing. Even the darkest hidden secrets which big influencers use to get thousands of likes, comments, and sales with just one post will be uncovered in front of you. Part 2 of the system is our Viraleze Scheduler SaaS software, which will help you put out the client's accounts and your own accounts on autopilot. With Viraleze Scheduler, you can post images, videos, and Instagram stories directly from your desktop and schedule it for months in minutes. Repost the content in one click by copy and paste the code. Save your captions to use again and again. Live preview inside dashboard before posting, and Multilingual Dashboard, which will connect your audience globally, complete Instagram analytics, and proxy integration. Even if you manage only one Instagram account, you can still earn up to $1,000 per month. Likewise, you can manage up to 3 Instagram accounts simultaneously. Your income potential grows to $3,000 per month. Hundreds of students across the globe are already using Viraleze system to rake in big profits. And today, you can take advantage of the same opportunity. You can get access to Viraleze training access for lifetime and Viraleze software access for 1 year at an extremely low price today, which has never been available ever before. But this special pricing is valid only during the launch. You are also backed by our 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose today. Invest in Viraleze by clicking the button below and activate your system for raking in big profits with Instagram starting today. We will see you in the members area.